How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix TikTok's photo swipe not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the photo swipe is not working on TikTok, it doesn't really depend upon one factor. So we're going to try a couple of fixes that is ultimately going to help you solve this problem. The very first thing I want you to do is, if you are an Android user, you can just try long pressing the TikTok app icon and tapping the I icon to come to the app info page. I'm already sure as an Android user you already know how to do this. As for iOS users, the only thing you can do is just try to uninstall and reinstall the app to see if that helps you. Now after that, what you want to do is, for Android users, come to the storage tab, make sure to clear the cache files, and you can also just try clearing the data. Once you've done that, just make sure that your Wi-Fi is also working just fine, because sometimes due to lack of proper internet connection, certain apps would not be functioning properly. Check if the TikTok app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.